I used to be the type to overpack whenever I would get away for a vacation or just a night or a weekend away. Recently, over the past year, I've learned to minimize and cut down a lot. Here's what I brought on my recent trip. First, I always like to pack a sweater. I am one who will always get cold or chilly wherever I go, even in the middle of summer, so I always have to have a sweater. I also brought 2 journals. One is for my everyday journal, and then the other one is for my yoga teaching plans. So I plan out all my yoga classes ahead of time, so I like to write them down in here. Also, I have this little pouch I got from China that I fill with all my pens and highlighters. I also brought my MacBook Pro, which is very light to carry, and then also chargers for the computer and for my cell phone. For my birthday, my boyfriend gave me a pair of Beats Solo 3s in rose gold, which I carried on this trip. Also, my everyday pouch with my cards, keys, chapstick, gum, all of my everyday essentials are in there. I also like to carry a pack of antibacterial wipes. And here's my toiletry bag filled with basic essentials. And lastly, here's my clothes. I use these packing cubes I got from Amazon, and by doing the KonMari folding method, I can pretty much fit so many outfits and layers and everything into this one little pouch, which saves a ton of space. What are your favorite packing tips? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in my next video.